about very strong, amazing and fascinating sea animal. Today I am going to talk about the sharks. The sharks are very strong and strong animals. The sharks will be present mostly near the seas of Australia, South Africa and California. Because of the sharks, many people are dying every year in the beaches while doing scuba diving, while surfing and boating near the beaches of Australia and California. Today, I am going to tell some of the facts about sharks. Come guys, let's go inside this video. There are about 500 species of sharks. The world is elaborated. We will be thinking that just 5-6 species will be there, but 500 species of sharks are there all over the world. There are not only large sharks which we think is there are sharks in the size of even small golden fish and in the size of the large elephant also. And the sharks will be not only in the seas, it will be inside the lakes and rivers also, in the freshwater lakes and rivers. That also is present in Australia and South Africa. And we humans are having 6 senses. Like that, the sharks are also having the 6th sense, that is what we should do and how we should do. That is. And you will be thinking that the sharks are at a great distance, but it is seeing their prey at a great distance easily and they are catching their prey. That is how means the sharks or normally the sea animals will be having good eyesight, and sharks are having very good eyesight than any other sea animals. And we human beings are in the earth before 40,000 years ago itself. But sharks are not only before we, more before we humans in this earth, sharks were in this earth, and they were in this earth even before 450 million years, that is 45 crore years ago. Think of 45 crore years. That is the time when the dinosaurs were in this earth. Think how long, how prehistoric this is. And the shark's embryo will attach each other. No other embryo will join each other like shark's embryo. And these embryos are having another superpower, that is, these embryos can detect their danger and can move away from that place and safeguard themselves from the danger. And we humans are having a good skeleton, good bones, and we are having strong bones. Like that, the sharks are also having bones, but their bones are not like us. Their bones are very light and small, like ear bones and nose bones. And similar how we are calculating the age of a tree by number of rings on their trunk, like that we can calculate the age of the sharks by calculating by their backbone, that is their vertebrae. And the eyesight is very nice, I told you. And the eyes are very well, not only because of their adaptation. The eyes will be very large. Yes. No more than our eyes. It can be 2 to 3 times, even 4 times larger than us. And the sharks are in many types, and the whale shark is a shark which will be very large, and also it's one of the largest animal in this earth. And these sharks will be having spots in their body, and these spots are unique like our fingerprints. We using the spots we can find this is a whale shark, this is a whale shark. It will be different and different. And we human beings are shedding our teeth after some time, but not more. We will shed for some period of time, then we will not. But sharks are not like that. In their whole lifetime, sharks will grow about 50,000 teeth. And think of there are how many sharks this whole earth, how many were there, and the whole ocean surface is a graveyard of shark teeth. And sharks are not only in this size. Before some million years ago, the sharks were very, very large than today. That is 16 to 17 million years ago. There was a type of shark that is megalodon, which was large 3 or 4 times as now sharks. And these sharks are very, very amazing, and these are the largest species on the earth ever. But now these sharks are not there. And these megalodons are very, very amazing things. And in my next video, surely I will talk about the megalodons. And the sea's water is and ocean's water is very, very cool. And the sharks must have some adaptations. They must have some adaptations to survive in this cool blood. And the adaptation they have is they are having very, very cool blood, like we are having warm blood, and they are having cold blood. Then they can be in the sea water easily. And today my video is over, and I hope viewers you know more about sharks now. And for later videos, subscribe my channel, click the bell button, share this video and like this video. And for not skipping this video and seeing it till end, thank you viewers. I will, and as I told you before, I will talk about megalodons surely. Okay guys, thank you. I will see you in the next video.